Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Task Manager now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and look at processes. If a program needs deeper control, right-click Task Manager in the taskbar and choose Run as administrator. Once done, scan the list and pick the specific process by name. Don't guess. Make sure to note whether it's an app or background process, because that affects the impact of priority changes. This first step gets you ready to change priorities safely and predictably. You now change the priority. Go to the Details tab, find the process, right-click and select Set Priority. Choose High or Above Normal for responsive behavior, but remember why. Priority shifts allocate more CPU time to that process. Once you pick a level, confirm the dialog. The setting applies immediately. Make sure to weigh trade-offs. Boosting one process can slow others. If the option isn't available, you likely need admin rights, or the process is protected by the system. You finish by verifying the effect. Watch CPU and memory in the Performance tab for a few minutes to confirm improved behavior. If you need a persistent change, use PowerShell, start process app, exe priority class high, or create a scheduled task. Once done, make sure to avoid real-time for general apps to prevent system instability. If priority reverts, check permissions, run Task Manager as administrator, and inspect group policy or antivirus protections. That single troubleshooting tip solves most reversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.